this is consumed. You see,
This is the drying area.
This is a drying area already.
Uh-huh. Then you work out of here to...
Yes.
Uh-huh.
We mulch it na.
Uh-huh. So, how long have you been organic?
We have been 4 years.
4 years.
Yes, 4 years. Because we have been planting flowers. But in my other area farms, it's almost 6 years.
Oh.
And they're very good.
Yeah.
This one, I think we have to put more compost.
Mm-hmm. But flowers was your original.
Yes, flowers. We grow roses. We grow Malaysians, chrysanthemums.
Really?
And you know, it's very, very hard because we do most of the time spraying.
Wow.
A lot of pests.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, but I have 2 farms yet. I have 4 hectares yet of flowers.
Wow.
And
Is
we
it
do
near
that.
here?
Ah?
Is it near here?
No, it's near Radar.
Ah.
Near, there. Near the
quite far
antenna.
from here.
Santo Tomas.
Oh, okay. It's quite far from here.
Yes. And I have caretakers to do it because I like organic because you see it's quite laborious. It's healthy food.